Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE V40 Pro and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's start with making sure that you've got the internet connection, and I highly recommend using Wi-Fi instead of mobile data so you can avoid some additional charges because of downloading something. And then we can open the Play Store. If you've got the Google account, then you can simply jump right into the Play Store. If not, be aware, because you need to be logged in. You can do it right after entering the Play Store or through the settings. If you're not sure how to do it, simply check out a tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account in this specific device. I've just recorded it, so for sure we've got one, and we will guide you through the steps. And after that, simply come back to this video. So now all we have to do is to open the Play Store. Let me just go through all of that quickly. Okay. And here we have to tap on the circle in the right upper corner, which is our account. Then let's go to Manage Apps and Device, and here tap on Updates Available. And as you can see, here we've been transferred to the list where we've got all of the updates. Basically, all you have to do is to either tap on Update All and your device will download all of them, or choose them from this list and simply tap on Update next to this specific app. So, for example, Gmail in my case, maybe Assistant and Google Chrome. And basically, this is how it works. Now your device will download the updates. Let me actually turn off that one. We'll download the updates, and after that, the new versions will be automatically installed on your device. So you do not really need to do anything more. Just wait patiently. Of course, you can do whatever you want on your device because it will all happen in the background. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.